Hi, and thanks for watching this Finance with Excel video. In this video I'm going to show you how to assign the solver to a macro. Last time we created a solver, we just learned how to use a solver where we clicked solver and then it would solve this objective function to make sure that we could calculate the assets at retirement. We just clicked solve, it found a solver solution, we just clicked OK. Now to assign this to a macro, we actually have to do one thing first. So we come here to our developer tab, and if you don't have your developer tab, you go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then you make sure you click on this developer tab right here. Once you have your developer tab, you have to click on this Visual Basic Code, and this brings up your Visual Basic window. This is where you can type VB Code. Now you come here to Tools, and then you go to References, and then you find Solver, and you have to make sure that Solver is clicked, because if Solver is not clicked right here, then VBA can't access any of the code for Solver. So when you click on Solver, VBA is recording the code that corresponds to what you do, it won't have any code there. So if solver is unchecked like that, you have to check it and you click OK. And now we can close our VBA code, and so now let's just record a macro. So we're just going to go to developer, record macro, we'll call it solve, and we'll save it in this workbook. We click OK. And then now Excel's recording everything we do, so I'm just going to go to Data, Solver. We don't actually have to change anything because we're setting cell D6 equal to a value of 0 by changing B6, so nothing is changing. We just click Solve, it found a solution, keep solver solution, click OK. And then go to Developer and make sure you click Stop Recording. Now we want to assign that to a button, so we're going to put a button in here, and I'm just going to assign the solve, and I'm just going to assign the solve macro to that button. We're going to click OK. I'm going to rename this solve. And now if I change anything, so let's say I want, $100,000 at the end of retirement, this objective function is no longer 0. I click solve. It ran the solution and it says, do you want to keep the solver solution? I just click OK, and it automatically solved it for us. So we've assigned this to a macro, and now if I want to format this, I can put it right next to what we're doing, and now if we change any of the inputs, like let's say we want $100,000 at retirement, I can click solve. It found a solution for me, I keep it, and then I know I need $3.4 million to maintain a $100,000 a year retirement given these inputs. So thank you for watching.